Hi friends, welcome to the online course on programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, we are going to see the string methods format, format map, split and join. The format method returns a formatted version of string. The formatted values are inserted in the placeholder which are specified by using curly braces. The placeholder can be specified as named index, numbered index or empty placeholders. Let us see this in practice. For example, print within bracket in curly braces, specify the named index. Within the format method, specify the values for the named indexes mentioned in the placeholder. The given values will be substituted in the placeholder. Note, in this method, we can specify the names with corresponding values in any order. In the same way, we can also use numbered indexes which will substitute the value in the specific index of the placeholder. While using numbered index placeholder, we can specify the order of index as per our requirement, which will be substituted in the output string. The empty placeholder is used to substitute values in the order as specified in the format method. Please note, while using the empty placeholder, the values will be substituted in the order which it appears in the format method. Otherwise, it will produce the semantically incorrect output. We can specify width of the value that will be substituted in the placeholder by using colon within the placeholder. Consider to print the number with 2 decimal places in the output. So, specify colon dot 2f within the placeholder. The format map returns the formatted version of string using the placeholders from mapping. Consider we have a dictionary data type which has 2 keys and values, that is ename and salary. We can specify the format map method to substitute the values in the placeholder. The split method returns a list of words in the string using the specific delimiter. By default, the delimiter is the white space. We can also specify maximum split value, which denotes the maximum number of splits to be done. By default, -1, which represents there is no limit. Consider the text "Welcome to programming in Python." Using the string object with split method will return the list of words based on the white space as a default delimiter. We can split the date value which is specified in the string object based on the delimiter hyphen, which returns list with 3 elements. The join method is used to concatenate any number of strings by inserting the specified string in between each given string. The result is returned as a new string. For example, a list which contains the value of date, month and year as elements. We can combine these elements by using hyphen, that is hyphen dot join name of the list, that is dt, which will combine all the elements of the list by using hyphen and returns a new string. We will see the remaining string methods while writing a program to solve problems related to those methods. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.